We'd like to show you some of the advanced functions with the sentence and paragraph tools.
Sentence and paragraph tools are available for all the writers.
And as you've seen, you can select from a range of styles using the grid button.
Watch a video on that sentence or paragraph.
You can see examples of the sentences or paragraphs.
Let's now look at the insert function.
Insert will automatically open inside the writer a fully supported scaffold that guides you through writing a sentence or paragraph.
Let's do it first for the sentence.
And you can select Insert from either the sentence tool itself or from the menu bar.
In the scaffold, just follow the prompts to complete your sentence.
Fill out the first part of the sentence, insert the cursor into the second part of the sentence, and complete your sentence.
Once you are done, you can select Preview, and the scaffolding disappears and you can see your sentence.
If you like it, click Insert, and your sentence drops inside your writing.
The same works for paragraphs. When you select Insert, the scaffold will open where your cursor is on the page.
Follow the prompts and fill out the sentences.
When you're done, click Preview.
And again, if you're happy with your paragraph, drop it into the piece of writing.
Using these tools, paragraph by paragraph, is a great way to compose a piece of writing.
That's right. You have help at every point along the way and can produce a really well-structured piece.